Hello, it's Diwan, and I appreciate you checking out this product review. Are you eager to craft high, converting sales copy and unlock the persuasive writing secrets from leading copywriting experts? Boost your leads, sales, and profits with powerful words. This product is all you need. Before we delve in, I want to mention that if you're interested in working with a personal internet marketing coach to guide you towards an online income of up to $10,000 per month, check out the first link in the description. Now, back to the review. You can find the product through the second link in the description at any point during this video. When you make your purchase, I'll throw in 3 exclusive bonuses that are not available anywhere else. These bonuses, fresh off the press, could easily be sold for hundreds of dollars, but I'm offering them to you for free to help you maximize the potential of the product and boost your success. Bonus number 1. Master any skill effortlessly with ChatGPT's proven strategies. Unlock your potential. Effortlessly master any skill with ChatGPT. Explore our guide featuring tested strategies that simplify the process of acquiring new skills. Whether it's languages or instruments, learn how to leverage ChatGPT for effective and enjoyable learning. Elevate your skills with ease. Bonus number 2. The new ways to do SEO in 2024. Implement quick and effective SEO wins alongside our tool, ensuring immediate improvements in your website's visibility and ranking in 2024. Bonus number 3. 10 incredible AI tools you can't live without. Explore the future of innovation with our collection of 10 incredible AI tools you can't live without. From streamlining your workflow to enhancing creativity, these cutting-edge tools redefine the possibilities in your professional and personal life. Elevating your game is my goal. These bonuses will be automatically delivered to you within Warrior Plus or JV Zoo when you grab this product. Let's dive into the review. Do you want to write sales copy that converts like crazy? Do you want to learn the secrets of persuasive writing from the top copywriting gurus? Do you want to boost your leads, sales, and profits with your words? If you answered yes, then you know how hard it is to write effective sales copy. You have to research your market, craft your headline, hook your audience, present your offer, overcome objections, and persuade them to take action. And you have to do all that in a way that is clear, concise, and compelling. But what if there was a way to write sales copy faster, easier, and better? What if you could use a proven formula that works for any niche, any product, and any audience? What if you could master the art of copywriting without spending years of trial and error, or thousands of dollars on courses and books? Introducing CopyCharm Formula, the ultimate guide to writing sales copy that charms your prospects and converts them into customers. CopyCharm Formula is a step-by-step system that teaches you how to write captivating sales copy that sells anything to anyone. You will learn how to use the power of storytelling, emotion, and psychology to influence your audience and make them take action. With CopyCharm Formula, you will be able to write sales copy that attracts more attention and interest from your target market, builds trust and rapport with your prospects, highlights the value and benefits of your offer, addresses and eliminates the fears and doubts of your prospects, motivates and inspires your prospects to buy from you. So what are you waiting for? If you want to write sales copy that charms and converts, you need to get CopyCharm Formula today. This is a limited time offer, so don't miss this opportunity to elevate your copywriting skills and grow your business. Click the button below and get instant access to CopyCharm Formula and 4 amazing bonuses that will help you write even faster and better. Don't delay. Get CopyCharm Formula now and start writing sales copy that works.